Hello guys, we will cover the router transformation in this lecture. So far we have covered the filter transformation, source qualified transformation, aggregated transformation like this. So if you have not watched those videos, so you can refer to my previous video so that you will be have better idea on the other transformations which we have covered. So I'm not going to repeat those. So you can go to my playlist. I have created one playlist. There you can watch the videos of that transformation. So in today's video we will cover the router transformation. So router transformation is basically works same as filter transformation. It is used to filter out data, but the only condition here is in filter transformation the record which are not matching to the filter condition, those are discarded. In router transformation we can give multiple conditions. On multiple conditions we can match the multiple condition in router transformation, and the records which are not matching the condition, those are discarded. Those there will be one default group. In the default group, those all record which are not matching the condition, those are loaded into the default group. So router transformation is active and connected transformation. It is same as filter transformation, used to test the condition on filter the data. In filter transformation we can only specify only one condition and drop other rows which are not satisfied to the condition. But in router transformation we can give multiple condition, and the record which are not matching to the condition, those are loaded into the default group. So these are some basic information. What is the ports, that input groups and output groups. Those are two groups. We will check that in the demo. And there are two types of group. One is user defined group. We can give as many group as per our requirement, and this is the default group. In default group we can put the records which are not matching to the filter condition. By default it will go to the default group. So we will see that. First just go to the Informatica. Make sure your services is one click. To the repository. Connect to my repository. Your password here. Now go to designer. Open the folder. So we have covered the aggregator before. We can watch the video. So I'll take same group and just delete this. All these things, how can we input the source? Like here in source analyzer we can input the source from here. I have covered all these things. You can watch my previous video to see that I have covered everything. So we will just look for router transformation. There are two ways to create router transformation. One is you can go here. I have covered this also. You can search here for the router transformation. Router. And I can give it a naming convention will be RPR, the any meaningful name. As per requirement. This is one way to create router transformation. Another is I can come here, just click here and put here. This is another way. For now, delete this. So I'll see how router transformation works. So my requirement is, I'll just show my requirement first, and so you will have a better idea. I will show you my source table and target table both. So my source table is this is my source table, and my requirement is order by department filing. This is my source table. My requirement is to load the target uh, group wise, like the employee which are having department ID 10 into one group, the department ID which are having department ID as 20, those are in one group, and department ID having employee who are having department ID as 30, those are in third group. So likewise, and every other records that will be in default group. So my requirement is simple. I want to load the employees who has department ID 10 that into one group, department ID 20 into one group, department ID 30 into one group, and rest other in default group. Those are, I will show how it works. My target table is employees. This will be my target. I will enter this. Table is my target. My table is, see, this is my target table. This is my source table. So I'll show you how can you do that. So here in port section, all the incoming ports will be visible here in port section. Those are coming from source qualifier. In property section, only one property is there, that facing level. In group section, this is useful. In group section, I will create by clicking here as many group as I want. So for now, I want 3 groups for department ID 10, department ID 20, and department ID 30. I want 3 groups, so I will create 3 groups. I will name it as deputy 10, then deputy 20, deputy 30, and rest all will. So I will give condition here. Ports department ID is equals to 10, that will go into this group, validate, and department ID 20, 20, 20. Okay, and department ID 30. So what this group will do is, the first group I have given the condition like department ID is equal to 10. So only the employees who are having department ID as 10 that will come to this group, and only the employees who are having department ID as 20 that will come into this group, and the employee who are having department ID as 30 that will come into this group, and rest order. See, there are some department who are having department ID more than 30, like 40, 50, those are going to the default group. So if I apply this, okay, then I will create 2 more targets. Department ID 10 for department ID 20 for department ID 30, and default I will default if I will load into this tab. Likewise, I'll do this. So let me import my targets. Employee TGT, we already have that. Employee 10. Then employee 20. Employee 30. I imported my targets. So I will take those targets. Employees 10, employees 20, employees 30. So now what I'll do is I will load the values for group number 10 into employee 10. See here you will be able to see all the groups. Here group 10, 20, 30 and the fourth will be in the last. So I'll group all this. I will take to domain here. Oh, sorry, I have for 10 I will load all my values to employee 10 group table. Do this. I have to do this one first. Then for 20 I will load all here. And for 30 I will load all my values for group number 30 to my 30 table, and default will be loaded into last table. So if I validate this, so my mapping will be like this. I validate this, mapping is valid. Mapping is valid. So based on our requirement, we can create as many targets as we want, and we can dynamically create the files. This is how we can use the router transformation. So we will go to workflows. Push my mapping. I will give my connection string here, so everything is there. The target is also there. If I run this, save and start workflow, mapping is running. See, it is succeeding. So if we see the source, see, in only the employees 10, it has loaded only one record, because we have only one record for the department number 10. We have only one, so it has loaded only one record there. For department ID 20, it has loaded two records there because we have only two records of department number 20. For department ID 30, in that target it has loaded 6 record, and rest all goes to the employees target table where we have loaded 98 records there. So if we check our target, department ID 10, it has only loaded only one record. For department ID 20, it has loaded two records. For department ID 30, it has loaded these many records for only department ID 30, and rest all other will go to the default group. So that will be what employees, sorry, my target table is employee target. So rest all will go to the list target. The name is different here, see, employees target. This is the default group target table name. So rest all record is loaded into this group. You can see here. This is how we can use router transformation to generate different target as per our requirement. Suppose we have a requirement to load the department wise target, so in that case we can use this router transformation. And default group is not compulsory. If we have requirement to load the default group target also, then we can do that. Otherwise we can only load this targets only. This is how we can use the router transformation. If you have any queries, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.